A very happy morning, dear students. In the gymnastic clock poem, so let us recall the exercise part as it is important for your test. So, in the gymnastic clock, coming to the first main is given about the question answers. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. Name the two characters in the poem. So in this, what are the main two characters they have played in this poem? So it is the clock and the eye. Here the eye is poet. So the clock, one is the clock and the other one is poet. These are the two characters which I have discussed in this poem. So these are the two characters which are explained about in this story called poem The Gymnastic Clock. Next is, what does the clock tell the speaker each morning? So as it is a conversation between the clock and the poet, so what does the clock tells the speaker? Speaker here means the poet. Each morning, the clock reminds about the speaker not to forget his daily exercise. The clock says to speaker not to forget to do the daily exercises. The clock reminds the speaker not to forget his daily exercise. Was said by clock. Next, does the clock stop its exercise any time? No. The clock never stops its exercise. The clock does not stop its exercise. It's continuously moves on, keeps on working. Next, what similarity do the speaker and the clock share? Similarity means same. What similarity do the speaker and the clock share? Both the speaker here means the poet. The speaker and the clock can swing their arms and they both can do their exercise daily. Though both the speaker and the clock will swing their arms and they both will do the exercise regularly. Next is, coming to the next main is, complete the following. Make a list of words that are repeated in the poem. One is plain, and the other one is exercise, clock, and your. These are the four words which have been repeated in the poem given the gymnastic clock. So, dear students, next is third main. Read the poem again and answer the following. After reading the poem, you need to answer this. I exercise like this all the day. I exercise like this all day. Here they have asked some questions related to this particular line. I exercise like this all day. Who is referred to as I? Here I is who. Here I is referred to the clock. Here the clock says I exercise like this all the day, said by whom? Clock. Next, what is exercise? Which exercise does the clock do? The clock raises its hand above and lowers it very slowly all the day. So what is the exercise that the clock is going to do? The clock going to raise up its hands above and lowers it very slowly all the day, every day. When does it do it? When does the clock do it? It does it in the morning all the time. It begins from the morning all the time. Next is, Pooh, I wouldn't boost off it like you. Pooh, I wouldn't boost off it like you. This sentence, who is referred to as you? Here the you is referred to the clock. Said by whom? Poet. Who is referred to as you? You is referred to the clock which was stated by poet. What is he boasting about? He is boasting about the continuous exercise of his hands above and below. The clock is boasting about the continuous exercise of his hands above and below and is telling to the poet. So dear students, the last question about this line is there a competition between the one who says this line and the clock? Yes, the speaker or the poet says the above line in the competitive mood. So both of them are telling about their positive and they are appreciating. So the speaker or the poet says the above in the competitive mode. Next, dear students, we'll move on to the prose part, that is healthy life. In that, what are all the questions have been given, we'll discuss now. Answer the following questions in a sentence each. The first is, which was the healthiest place that you could imagine? The earth was the healthiest place than we could imagine. Correct? Because the human beings exists on the earth, it is the safest place or the healthiest place for which we can live and survive. Next is, who was furious? So one of the witches was the furious in this chapter. What made the potion go wrong? So during the collection of energy, one of the witches in a grove made a mistake. What did the mistake? In uttering the words. So as a result, what happened? There was a big explosion. So which destroyed the forest and their plan was also spoiled. Next is, what happened after the explosion? So due to the big explosion, what it arised? All the witches turned into tiny creatures, small creatures like germs, because of the explosion, and they were trapped in a liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. So what happened after the explosion? Here all the witches turned into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in a liquid in a small bottle which lying in a swamp.